Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, out of stock item.
Excuse me, Tom. I can't find the organic almond milk I usually buy.
Oh no, really? Let me check the inventory. It seems like we're temporarily out of stock. We should have more by tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I was hoping to use it for a recipe tonight. Is there any chance you have it in the back?
I'm afraid not, but we can offer you a rain check or suggest an alternative almond milk brand.
All right, a rain check will do. I appreciate your help.
We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for your understanding.
Dialogue 2, broken shopping cart.
Excuse me, Sarah. The wheel on this shopping cart is wobbling, and it's making it difficult to maneuver.
I'm sorry to hear that, Jake. Let me call someone to assist you. We have maintenance staff who can help replace the cart for you.
That would be great. I appreciate your prompt response.
It might take a couple of minutes, but they'll be here soon. In the meantime, feel free to continue shopping or wait by the entrance for the replacement.
Thanks, Sarah. I hope they can fix it quickly.
Dialogue 3, price discrepancy at checkout.
Hi, Mike. I just noticed that the price at the shelf said $2.99, but it rang up as $3.99 at the checkout.
I apologize for the error, Linda. Let me double-check that for you.
It's a significant difference, and I want to make sure I'm charged the correct amount.
I appreciate your patience. I'll verify the shelf price and adjust the total accordingly.
Thank you, Mike. I just want to make sure everything is accurate.
Your understanding is appreciated. We'll make sure to fix this for you.
Dialogue 4, long checkout lines.
Excuse me, Sarah. The checkout lines are incredibly long, and I'm in a bit of a hurry. Is there anything that can be done?
I understand your concern, Chris. Unfortunately, it's a busy time right now. We can open more checkout lanes to expedite the process, but it may still take some time.
Opening more lanes would be helpful. I appreciate your assistance.
I'll get additional cashiers to open up new lanes immediately. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, Sarah. I hope it speeds up a bit.
Dialogue 5, misplaced items.
Hi, Mark. I can't find the bread. The aisle where it's supposed to be is empty.
I'm sorry to hear that, Eva. Let me check the inventory. It's possible the bread delivery hasn't arrived yet.
That's inconvenient. I need it for my kids' lunches tomorrow.
I understand. We'll expedite the process and try to restock the shelves as soon as possible.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate your help.
We apologize for any inconvenience. We'll do our best to have it available shortly.
Dialogue 6, defective produce.
Excuse me, Emily. I just noticed that some of the apples I picked up have bruises and look overripe.
I'm sorry to hear that, Tom. Let me inspect them, and we can exchange the damaged ones for fresh ones.
I appreciate that, Emily. I didn't notice until I got home.
It happens, Tom. We'll make sure to replace them with better quality apples.
Thank you, Emily. I just want to make sure I get what I paid for.
Absolutely, Tom. We'll make it right.
Dialogue 7, unavailable coupon.
Hi, Susan. I brought this coupon for a discount on laundry detergent, but it's not being accepted at the checkout.
I apologize for the inconvenience, Sophie. Let me take a look. It seems this coupon is expired.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Is there any way to still honor the discount?
Unfortunately, we can't accept expired coupons. However, we have some in-store promotions that might interest you.
All right, I'll take a look. Thanks for checking, Susan.
I'm sorry about the confusion, Sophie. I hope you find another great deal.
Dialogue 8, unattended spill.
Excuse me, Rachel. There's a spill in the cereal aisle, and it's making the floor slippery.
Thank you for letting me know, Alex. I'll call for someone to clean it up right away.
It's quite a significant spill. It might be a hazard for other customers.
I appreciate your concern, Alex. We'll have someone there shortly to take care of it.
Thanks, Rachel. Safety first, right?
Absolutely, Alex. We'll ensure it's addressed promptly.
Dialogue 9, faulty cash register.
Hi, Lisa. I've been waiting for a while, and the cashier seems to be having trouble with the cash register.
I apologize for the delay, Nathan. It seems there's a technical issue. We'll have a technician here shortly to fix it.
I'm in a bit of a rush. Is there another register I can use?
Of course, Nathan. You can move to the next available register, and we'll get someone to assist you there.
Thanks, Lisa. I appreciate your help.
We apologize for any inconvenience. We'll get it sorted out quickly.
Dialogue 10, expired product purchase.
Hi, Kevin. I just realized that the yogurt I bought has already expired. Can I return it or get a refund?
I'm sorry to hear that, Jessica. Absolutely, we can process a refund for you. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I kept the receipt. I didn't check the expiration date until I got home.
It happens. We'll refund the purchase amount, or if you prefer, we can exchange it for a fresh one.
A refund would be great. Thank you for your understanding, Kevin.
We apologize for the inconvenience. We'll make sure to address the issue with the dairy section.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.